The defense industry was once again shocked by the launch of a new bomber, touted as one of the most advanced combat platforms of the modern era. The arrival of this aircraft marks a major step in the development of military air technology, particularly in long-range strike capabilities, stealth technology, and the integration of artificial intelligence into the modern battlefield. The launch of this new bomber immediately attracted the attention of many countries due to its futuristic design, which is claimed to be capable of penetrating even the most sophisticated air defense systems. With the ability to carry a variety of modern weaponry, this aircraft is projected to be the backbone of future strategic operations. This latest generation bomber features a flying wing aerodynamic design that significantly reduces radar signature. Stealth technology is one of the key features that makes this aircraft difficult to detect by enemy radar. The latest generation bomber features a flying wing aerodynamic design that significantly reduces radar signature. Stealth technology is one of the key features that makes this aircraft difficult to detect by enemy radar. Advances in technology have enabled this. The computer system is capable of analyzing threats in real time, selecting the safest flight path, and automatically controlling weapons deployment. 360-degree sensor technology also allows the flight crew to monitor air conditions in all directions without any gaps. One of the main advantages of this latest bomber lies in its modern generation engines, which boast enormous thrust. These engines are designed to enable the aircraft to fly very long distances without the need for frequent refueling. Developers claim that these engines can maintain high performance even in extreme weather conditions. This bomber is designed to carry a variety of modern weapons, from precision-guided smart bombs and long-range cruise missiles to next-generation hypersonic weapon systems. Its large internal payload capacity allows the aircraft to carry a large amount of weaponry without compromising stealth. All weapons are housed in special internal compartments to maintain radar detection. The latest targeting technology allows for more accurate attacks with a very low error rate. Even in poor weather conditions or at night, the sensor system can still lock onto targets with high precision. These capabilities make the latest bomber a highly dangerous strategic asset on the modern battlefield. Many military observers call this aircraft a symbol of next-generation air dominance. The fuselage uses a special composite material that absorbs radar waves. Furthermore, the engine is designed to produce a low heat signature, making it more difficult for enemy infrared systems to detect. Defense engineers developed this design over many years to ensure the aircraft's capability to carry out missions in high-threat areas. Its futuristic shape also provides aerodynamic efficiency, resulting in lower fuel consumption compared to previous generations. Furthermore, this aircraft has high-level encrypted communications capabilities, making coordination with other forces much more secure. Its electronic warfare system can also jam enemy radar and communications during operations. One of the most revolutionary features of this aircraft is the integration of artificial intelligence. AI technology helps analyze threats, adjust flight strategies, and provide tactical recommendations to pilots instantly. The AI system is also capable of learning enemy defense patterns and automatically adjusting flight paths for greater safety. Under certain conditions, the aircraft can even perform some functions without full human intervention. This technology is believed to transform the concept of future air warfare. With the help of AI, reaction times to threats are significantly faster, significantly increasing the chances of mission success. This latest bomber is designed to support global operations with a very wide reach. With the support of aerial refueling, the aircraft can conduct transoceanic missions without having to land. This capability provides the military with high flexibility to respond quickly to situations in various regions of the world. Modern satellite navigation systems also ensure the aircraft remains accurate when flying in remote areas. This aircraft is also compatible with various modern air bases, facilitating operational processes in many strategic locations. Its supporting infrastructure has been designed to accelerate maintenance and weapons replenishment processes. Crew safety is a primary concern in the development of this modern bomber. Therefore, the aircraft cabin is equipped with high-level protection against extreme pressure, electronic interference, and even attacks from certain weapons. The latest generation of seat ejector systems allows pilots to quickly escape in an emergency. Furthermore, the aircraft also has an automatic fire extinguishing system in several vital areas. Life support technology in the cockpit allows the crew to survive long-duration missions. All of these features are designed to ensure pilots remain focused on carrying out operations to the fullest. The launch of this latest bomber not only demonstrates advances in military technology, but also symbolizes a nation's strategic strength. Many analysts predict that the competition to develop next-generation fighter jets will intensify in the coming years. Major powers are now racing to develop more modern, faster, and more difficult-to-detect air weapon systems. Stealth technology, artificial intelligence, and hypersonic weapons are key focuses in the development of future air power. The arrival of this latest bomber is expected to shift the balance of global military power. With its long-range strike capabilities and cutting-edge technology, this aircraft is one of the most strategic assets in the modern defense world. The military aerospace industry is predicted to continue to grow rapidly as the need for modern defense systems increases. New generation bombers will likely increasingly rely on automation, escort drones, and the integration of digital warfare networks. Future warfare concepts will place greater emphasis on the speed of information transfer and the ability to strike accurately and undetected. Therefore, the development of modern bombers will continue to be a top priority for many major powers. The launch of this latest bomber is proof that a new era in air combat technology has begun. With its combination of stealth, artificial intelligence, modern avionics, and advanced weaponry capabilities, this aircraft is predicted to play a significant role in future global military operations.